I have a very exciting video today that I have been waiting for as soon as I saw it announced, and that is I got my hands on the mini brands by Ulta Beauty collab, and I'm like dying because not only do I just want to unbox these, I've never unboxed capsules before, but I also have a little arts and crafts project that I have intended for these. So we're gonna go through and open up all these capsules. I'm gonna share with you guys the details on this, and we're gonna do a little crafty craft and make these a cute little something we could wear. So this mini brands collab with Ulta Beauty is out now, so you can actually pick these up, and they're only available at Ulta Beauty. So these are based off real products you can buy, but they are obviously a little mini version. So they're collectible, they're fun, and we're gonna see what we got. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really into mini brand culture. I am just into beauty and Ulta Beauty culture. So this is my first time doing something like this. I hope you guys enjoy. Dun, da, da, da. So I have 6 of the capsules here. I did see some promos of these, but I don't exactly know what we're gonna find. Moment of truth, what I've been waiting for. And to give you a little close up of what the capsule looks like. I literally put on press-on nails just for this moment. Just a little white capsule. Whoa, okay, I've never done this before. So this is the collector's guide. Okay, so this must be all of the different brands featured. Oh my gosh, there are so many brands. Woo! So you can check them off. Ooh, so cute. Look at it. It's so little. That is so cute. I got, oh, you can get the shampoo and the conditioner. Okay, this one's the conditioner. Okay, check. Oh my gosh, it articulates. Okay, so this is a little super goop every single face watery lotion. God, it's so small. My camera is having a hard time focusing on it. Spins. How fun is that? Check. Ooh, a little shape tape. Oh! It opens up! Wait, that is so stinking cute. I'm sure you guys are familiar with mini brands. This is like not surprising to you, but this is my first experience. I'm having so much fun. It opens too. It has a little fluffy wand. This is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. Okay, last one in this capsule. Ooh, I got another super goop. Unseen sunscreen. Let me check. This is fun. It's a game. All right, next capsule. Capsule number 2. Ooh, there's 2 in here. Ooh, I got some OPI nail lacquer. I got 2. I can't tell if these are 2 different shades, if it's supposed to be like Happy Anniversary or Funny Buddy, because these both look white to me, and I just like, my eyesight can't see the shades. Ooh, Good Molecules Discoloration Correction Serum. It's so cute. Ooh, another nail polish. Okay, this one I could tell is a red color from OPI. Shut up. Ooh, another Good Molecules. We have the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Okay, last one from this capsule. Whoa, I got a lot of OPI ones in this one. I got a pink one. Bubble bath. I should have known. All right, next. Ooh, I got a Cloud Cocoa. Oh my gosh, the lid comes off and there's like, I got a Truly Love Your Imperfections blemish patches. You could open this up and look at your blemish patches. I don't want to lose her. I'm gonna keep her in there. The Redken One United All-in-One Multi-Benefit Treatment. Ooh, I got another Truly Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter. It doesn't, it doesn't have a smell. I just know they smell so good, so I thought maybe, but no. And from this capsule, the Redken All Soft Shampoo. Capsule number 4. I knew what it was gonna be just from the shape. It's a little space cowboy from Urban Decay. Another little Urban Decay all-nighter. This is the setting spray. Ooh, the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil. I use this. We got a little naked eyeshadow palette. Ooh, a little NYX Epic Eyeliner. Is there an eyeliner in here? Capsule number 5. A little e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Ooh, this one looks big. I can like feel it in the package. It's a dry bar. The Buttercup, the ultimate blow drying tool. And there's attachments. Ooh, another e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. Ooh, a halo glow. It even has a little like a soft applicator. And then we have the Dry Bar Dry Shampoo. Okay, we're on our last capsule. Ooh, we got the Way Hair Oil. The Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub. Way Scalp Serum. Last two. Ooh, we have the Shea Moisture African Black Soap. I'm so tempted to smell these even though I know that they don't smell like anything. Last one. We have the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz Free Curl Mousse. I think I did pretty good. There are definitely still some that I am gonna have to hunt down, but we're doing good. All right, let's move on to the arts and crafts section. Hi, I'm gonna show you guys how I've been turning the mini brands by Ulta Beauty Collab into little charms so we can add these to a necklace or a bracelet. As you can see, I've done it a couple times, so I'm gonna show you the process. It's pretty simple, but you just wanna be careful. So starting off, I'm using these little eyelets. I think that's what they're called. They look like this, and they have a little top where the charm is gonna adhere to the necklace or bracelet, and then the bottom is essentially a screw. So it's got like a pointed tip with threads, if you can see that. I've got some needle nose pliers to help grip that, and then I'm also wearing hand protection because you want to be safe. I also have a heat source here, which is just to heat up the tip of this guy here. We basically just want to get the tip of this warm enough to kind of create a divot in the top of these so that we can screw them in and kind of let the threads do the work for us. So once we get the tip in, then we can just twist it. And then I'm just going to, like I said, get this warm. It does get a little sooty, which will clean off here. You just want to be careful and just kind of center it into the top and just kind of lightly go back and forth. Now this does take a couple times going back and forth from your heat source to the top of this guy here, but slow and steady wins the race. And I'm not pushing hard with this, by the way. I'm just kind of, like I said, using the threads to my advantage. So this is how you know you've gone far enough where you can rely on the threads fully, is when you got the tip sunk in far enough where it's kind of hanging in there by itself, and then you literally just twist. And I'm not gonna put a ton of pressure on it because you don't need to. And then slowly but surely, those threads will go in deeper until the hook is flush with the top. Just like this. See how easy that is? Just goes in. And then I always kind of turn this guy to the front. And then there you go, it's in there. So that's how I'm making these into charms, and then you can still kind of use them like this. So I'm gonna keep doing this and create some more charms for us. All right, so once I had enough charms made, it was time to move on to putting them on the necklace. And for the necklace, I just had this chain laying around that I wasn't using, so I decided to repurpose it for this project. Now, when I'm laying out the charms and placing them in order, one thing that I'm trying to pay attention to is dispersing the weight evenly along that chain. One thing that I've noticed when I'm making charms is that if there's a charm that's heavier than the other, it'll pull the necklace down uneven. So dispersing that weight is pretty important. So once you've done that, it's time to move on connecting them. And I got this kit from Amazon. It has everything you need, including that opener, the rings, the pliers. So it's honestly pretty self-explanatory. You just open the ring up and place the charm onto the necklace. And again, here I did kind of mess around with it a little bit. There were a couple charms I took off to move them over because I was just kind of eyeballing this whole process. So once I had everything nicely placed onto the necklace to my liking, this is how it turned out. And I'm really happy with it. I think it's so fun and kitschy, and I love things like this. You could absolutely change the charms out later on and just kind of mess around and put your own flair on it.